All right, this video is one day late. This is the writing expressions video. 3.2, writing expressions. You saw I had my book out, right? I did leave a message for all of my students that saw it. You have notes to write. You have notes to write down on page 118. You got activity to do on 118. You got an activity to do on page 119. And there's another activity on page 119 as well. The notes are right here. See this box right here? Super duper 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 important. Make sure you write it down, highlight it, keep it right by you when you're trying to do this assignment. Now, there's a couple of different things that we will look at here. I got 4 examples that we're going to go through. First 2 are numerical expressions where you're just going to have numbers involved. The second 2 are going to be what's called algebraic expressions because you have numbers and letters involved. So let's look at it. First one, let's deal with 6 times 50. One thing, all we're doing with writing expressions, we're not solving anything. We're trying to write this down as a problem. So how do you think we would write this as a problem? What do you think that word means? What operation does it mean? That's what we're talking about. We're trying to write the problems down. We'll show the answers at the end. Example 2 of a numerical expression. The sum of 18 and 35. Got to know what the word sum means. It's telling you what operation this problem is. Once again, we're not trying to solve anything. We are just writing down what the problem is. Here's an example of an algebraic expression. A number x divided by 4. So we don't know what the number is. We know division is involved. So we have to write down the problem. And lastly, the last algebraic expression is the total of a number t and 11. What operation do you think that word total is talking about? We don't know what the number t is, and they gave us 11. So let's wrap it up like this. First one I showed you said 6 times 50. That's what we have to write down. 6 times 50 is the answer. The second one I showed you, if you go back and rewind the video, said the sum of 18 and 35. Sum is an addition problem. The third one I showed you said a number x divided by 4. This is the answer. X divided by 4. And then the last one I showed you said the total of a number t and 11. Total means we're adding. So our answer should be t plus 11. This concludes the latest video out of our Big Ideas math book on writing expressions. Get to work.